Latest on the transfer news and what bafethu uVanele, so I'm back again with indaba zakuBetway Premiership. Indaba abafethu ngizoqala ngazo la, indaba seyiphumile. uKevin Hunt uconfirmile uthi Durban City yayimfuna ngempela uzakhelele pasa, but ke wakhuluma nawo zakhelele pasa bam-approacha, but ke umjida unamanye ama-ideas ngecareer yakhe, akafuni ukuyijoyina iDurban City. So far akakabuyeli kwiDurban City abanikeze izimpendulo. Manikhumbula kahle izolo iDurban City bi-announce abadlali ebasayinile, abadlali abanjengo Hashim Domingo, uNodada, many more. Joan bona nje la i-announceile iDurban City izolo iwelcome i-defender elisayine from ILO eliqhamuka kwiStellenbosch FC, uKyle Jurgens. Lo mshidi abafethu wayefunwa iMamelodi Sundowns neChippa United, but ke i-management yakhe ikhetha ukuthi iyomlona kuDurban City. Umshidi nje kule season ezoqala uzobedlalela iDurban City. Hashim Domingo is another player abam-announcile izolo, uqhamuka le kwi-Cape Town City. Umshidi uzojoyina nje iDurban City, ubeqhamuka le kwi-Raja Casablanca. Semi Siyabi is another player abafethu ojoyina iChippa United izolo. iChippa United nayo ade announce abadlali left and right. Semi Siyabi uyijoyinile iChippa United izolo. Another player ojoyine iChilli Boys bafethu ugoalkeeper oyivimbele Orlando Pirates ngaphambilini futhi ubevimbele iCape Town City bafethu Elson Sithole usejoyine iChippa United. uTim Msukazi useyi-highlightile indaba regarding ukuthi bona kungenzeka baface i-transfer ban, because mukhumbula kahle ke bafethu ngaphambilini ngashaya ivideo about TS Galaxy ngithi kungenzeka bathole i-transfer ban. Ushilo ke lade ekhuluma kwindaba kwiKwekwezi FM uyasho ukuthi kuneclub yasePortugal edlala kwi4th division eclaima ukuthi badinga i-development fee ka$13,145 US. Mase uyiconverta leyo mali 235k South African rands. Yabo thiwa leli cala labekwa kwiFIFA TMS transfer matching system. Uyasho ke uTim Msukazi uthi hayi sebeyikhokhile imali bayisenda iproof kuFIFA, balindele iFIFA ukuthi iresponde regarding imali abayikhipha, because sebeyikhokhile leyo mali leyo. Lelu daba lolu involve umdlali umlungisizwane. Li-involve umdlali umlungisizwane. Hey, indaba iningi. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu ngicela ningakhohlwa igame yeKaizer Chiefs ezoyidlala neStellenbosch ngeke izidlale le eDHL Stadium. Isishintshiwe ke bafethu ivenue iyodlalwa le Athlone Stadium. Hamba niyothenga amathikithi, abantu base Cape Town thengana amathikithi ngeke izidlale eDHL Stadium, izodlala eAthlone Park Stadium. Yabo ithikithi lu-R80. Hamba uthenga amathikithi niyobukela iKaizer Chiefs versus Stellenbosch. This one it's going to be a good game bafethu. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu iChippa United iconfirmile izolo ukuthi uKhuluma Mnusele will join iChippa United on a season loan from Orlando Pirates. Umjida niyambona bafethu. Hey, kwezinye izindaba former Mamelodi Sundowns defender Lucas Suarez has signed for Uruguayan side iLiverpool on loan from ECA Talares. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu i-defender laseNigeria elina 28 years old lizojoyina iDurban City nje. In the coming days we might see this guy being presented by Durban City. Una 28 years old umjida. Kwezinye izindaba Orlando Pirates announced izolo ukuthi Amstel noOrlando Pirates sebenze ipartnership entsha ade kusayinwa izolo nje bafethu ukufike ikhulu zaka Amstel noDr Ivan Khoza kwahlalwa phansi kwasayinwa. Ama-agent kaNeoma mase revealile ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns ifuna ukumlona out ngempela umjida. Bazomlona out kwiSimba. Yabo amathi made mfuna ngempela uNeoma bafethu iDurban City siwelele FC neSkhukhune United. Bonke ke sebeluzile ukumsayina umjida on a season loan, but ke iSimba SC iyona i-team ezomthola uNeoma. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu Abdullahi Mariko swaps from iSoweto Giant ezijoyina iChippa United on a season long loan from iOrlando Pirates. Benikhumbula kahle ke lo mjida waqala wathengwa iOrlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates had decide ukumlona to iChippa United. Ingadideki oMariko ababili labo. Yabo abafana, omunye wi-central attacking midfielder, omunye bafethu i-midfielder udlala esiswini. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu siwelele FC sesipartnership with uMacron ebrand ibona bazobenzela amajezi lawa amasha. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu uNjabulo Ngcobo, it looks like iChippa United ayikwazanga ukumsayina umjida ade bem-assessa bembona ukuthi kahle kahle ngabe umdlalo onjani ukuthi ajoin iChippa United. No, akaba impressanga, yabo akayi-impressanga eboard yeChippa United. It looks like right now he will resurface kwiCape Town City. Asilinde nje indaba, but nomjida ngenzeka ngempela simbone kwiCape Town City edlalela iCape Town City next season, because iyona team right now efuna ukumbona edlala. Yabo iCape Town City iyabadinga abadlali iCape Town City because ifuna ukusuka le ezansi. Nayo isalwa amacala nje amaningi ukuthi esuka le ezansi ibuyele kweBetway Premiership. izona ke indaba zami zanamhlanje bafethu. Ungakhohlwa ungifollow ku Instagram ku Vane Sports ka Instagram.